Hello, welcome back to Excelmind. In today's video we'll see how to change the color of complete row and column by just clicking on the cell. You can see whenever we click any cell, its column and row got formatted, and when we move it get unformatted. This has been done through simple conditional formatting. We have used two formulas. The first one is to color column. And formula is equals column equals cell, col.
And second is for row. Equals cell, row, equals row.
We have used two colors, yellow for column and green for row. You can have same for both. Now let's start the tutorial by clicking on New Sheet. We'll copy the data and paste it, with some edits of lines so it looks perfect. Now our data is ready. So, to do our column format, we'll copy the formula which we had already written. You can get the formula under video description. Then go to your data and select Complete Data, then go to the Conditional Formatting tab and select New Rule. Under New pop-up window, select the last option, Use Formula, and paste the formula under Description. Then click on Format button and choose the format of your choice. Go to Fill option and select the color of your choice. If you want, you can change the font to bold, and then click OK. Hit OK to close pop-up window, and then it's time to add formula for row format. Copy the row formula, which we have added in description of video. And again, select the complete data if not already been selected. Go to Conditional Formatting, select New Rule, then last option, and paste the formula under Description. Now again click on Format button. Change the font to bold, then click on Fill and select any color. Click OK once you are done, and close pop-up window by clicking OK again. Your half of work has now been done. You will see format isn't working with single click of cell. But it will work only when you double-click the cell. And to make it work with single click, you need a VBA code. We have added the code under description of video. And we'll guide you how you can add that in your sheet in very easiest way. First, you need a developer tab. If you already have that, then good. If not, you can add that by clicking on the drop-down icon at top of the sheet. Then click More command. You can also click on File, then Option tab to get on this screen. Then click on Customize ribbon from the left side list. You will see Developer option on right window. Just check the box if it's unchecked and then click OK. We'll show you if box is unchecked, the Developer tab will be removed from the Excel bar. So, to add that on Excel, your box should be kept checked. Once you're done with the setting and you got your Developer tab, just click on it and then click Visual Basic. Then from left side, double-click on the sheet on which you had your data. Then clear the screen and paste the code. We have added the code under video description. Now click on Excel icon from top left side. Your format should work fine. You can check by clicking any cell and it will give you the result as shown on screen. You can even edit the format color, and to edit click on Conditional Formatting. Then click Manage Rules. Under pop-up window, click on Rule which one to edit and click Edit button. Now you can do the changes by clicking Format button and change the color or font as per you wish, and once done just click OK. Then click Apply button to make the changes. Now you can see the changes has been successfully made. New color has been added. You can choose any format of your choice. Once you're satisfied with the result, make sure you save the file with file type as Excel macro enabled. We'll show you how to do that. Go to File on top left side and then click Save As. Change the file name as per you wish, and below that, change the type to Excel Micro Enabled Workbook. Once correct file type has been selected, click on Save button. Your file is now ready to use. You can see on screen it's working fine with just one click. It will work even if you had a colored cell. Once you click colored cell, it will format as per request, and once you click another cell, it will revert back to previous. You can download the sample file from our blog. We have added the blog link under video description. Thank you for watching Excelmind. Do share and subscribe for more tutorial.